I just want to jump up real quick, man. You know, drop some dimes for the good people. You feel me? Today's video is gonna be titled "Feed." You feel me? Talking about feed for your puppies, feed for your adult dogs. You feel me? Especially your pregnant females. So this is raw chicken right here. We got some beef red bones up in there. We got this puppy kibble right here. Take y'all over here real quick to my little stash. We got the adult dogs food over here. You feel me? You see how everybody looking? Everybody out here looking good. I sprayed them down with the water hose earlier. It's hella hot out here, y'all. Look at her trying to climb into the water. Trying to climb into the water bowl. Cardi up under here. Yeah, everybody doing good, man. I just fed them pretty heavy last night. I feed them at night when it cools down. That's why you see some good healthy weight on these dogs, man. But yeah, that's what I do for my dogs, man. These bread bones, you feel me? I get them the chicken. Pretty much I just portion it out for each dog, you feel me? The puppies, they on their puppy food, you feel me? This is what they food look like. I'll get the puppy some of that. Adult dog females, I usually just give them a cup of this. Take a cup of this and I just give that to them. And with the puppies, I usually just take this bowl right here and I just give them a scoop. Like I said, I cut these individually, so when I portion it out for the dogs, it's already portioned out. That's why you see it bagged up already. I just do it like that so I can spread it out, you feel me? I don't just give it to them all at once, you feel me? So, continue to have extra meals for your dogs. And that's just something that I want to show y'all, man. Show you how my feed regimen over here, how I feed my dogs. I just went and got them these new toys right here. These for the puppies right here, so they can have something to chew on. Went and got them these big ass bones. These big ass bones right here. Just to give them something to chew on. You know, puppies be teething and stuff like that. So, puppies be teething and stuff like that, etc. So, you know, just something for them to have fun with.